Hi everyone, I am your Dhanasekaran. Today we learn about the plus 2 physics 5th lesson electromagnetic wave in subtopic of properties of electromagnetic wave. This is the electromagnetic wave diagram. This circuit used to produce electromagnetic wave. The large potential difference maintained between the two small sphere, the electric charge get the accelerated. The accelerated electric charge only produced to the electromagnetic wave. This is the first properties. Second properties, the electromagnetic wave travel with speed of light without any medium. Third point, the electromagnetic wave are a not mechanical wave. Fourth point, electromagnetic wave are transfer in a nature. Fifth point, I will use to explain the electromagnetic wave diagram. Electric field in y direction, magnetic field in z direction, the propagation of vector direction along the x-axis. Electric field vector, magnetic field vector and propagation vector perpendicular to each other. So only I said that the electromagnetic wave in a transfer wave in nature. Electric field vector, magnetic field vector and propagation vector mutually perpendicular to the each other. So only I said that electromagnetic wave in transfer in nature. Fifth point, the electromagnetic wave are not deflected electric field and magnetic field. Seventh point, the electromagnetic wave can exhibit interference, diffraction and polarization. Ninth point, the electromagnetic wave also carry energy, linear momentum and angular momentum. Electromagnetic energy density per unit volume U equal to half epsilon naught E square plus half nu naught B square. This is the energy density per unit volume. This term represent to UE. This term represent to UB. UE energy density in electric field. UB energy density in magnetic field. The electric field and magnetic field vector starting from the origin and simultaneously increase to the value, again the value reduced to reach the same point. It is explained to electric field and magnetic field vector the same time increase and decrease with respect to time. So the electric field density vector and magnetic field density vector equal. So UE equal to UB. Half epsilon naught E square equal to half mu naught b square. ஆஃப் வந்து போத் சைட் கேன்சல் பண்ணுறீங்க. அப்போ எப்சிலான் நாட் இ ஸ்கொயர் ஈக்குவல் டு பி ஸ்கொயர் பை மியூ நாட். திஸ் இஸ் த என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா எனர்ஜி டென்சிட்டி பர் யூனிட் வால்யூம். ஆவரேஜ் எனர்ஜி டென்சிட்டி மியூ ஈக்குவல் டு ஆஃப் எப்சிலான் நாட் இ ஸ்கொயர் equal to half mu naught b square. 11th point. 12th one, electromagnetic wave travel with vacuum in speed of light v equal to c vacuum. Velocity c equal to 1 divided by root of mu naught into epsilon naught. Mu naught, it is represent to permeability of the free space. Epsilon naught, it is represent to permittivity of the free space. The velocity of light in medium v less than c, so the electromagnetic wave speed less than to the speed of light in vacuum. Velocity v equal to 1 divided by root of mu epsilon. The mu represent to the permeability of the medium. The epsilon represent to the permittivity of the medium. So compared to the two equation, now we get in a medium of refractive index mu equal to c by v. Value substitute பண்ணுங்க. 1 divided by root of mu naught epsilon naught divided by 1 by root of mu epsilon. இதை simplify பண்ணால் root of mu r epsilon r கிடைக்கும். The mu r represent to the relative permeability of the medium. Epsilon r represent to the relative permittivity of the medium. Next point, Poynting vector. It is may be also asked in a 2-mark question. Poynting vector. 14th point. Electromagnetic energy travel through unit area per unit time. It is called Poynting vector. It is represented to u equal to 1 divided by mu naught e vector plus b vector. The alternate form of the Poynting vector u equal to epsilon naught c square e vector cross b vector. This is the alternate form of the Poynting vector.